Hey people, so we are at the metro station that is in Parade Parade
Pika.
grounds. Where are we going, Ayush?
Regum. Back.
We are going to, we plan to go to the Necklace Road for the book
We are going
exhibition. So, and from there we'll what else to know, and then from there we'll go to nice places to
tea
eat.
exhibition, not book exhibition.
Okay, so we are going to these many places, and this is how the metro station looks. And once our train comes, we won't be able to chat. But Ayush, I was getting so entertained listening to Ayush. You should tell us about Kila Kanpur again. You should tell the camera, then I'll send the clip to Explorers Adda. They'll put it on